Hello, my crafty friends. I wanted to come and share this with you today. The swap that I did with Rosa, I got hers back in, and I wanted to share it with you because this stuff is so pretty. I wanted to share all the shabbiness with you because I love it. It's so pretty. And I received some stuff that I haven't seen before. I've seen on videos and on pictures, but haven't seen in person. So I wanted to share it with you. Y'all have probably seen it, but I hadn't, so I got really excited. Anyway, let me show you what she sent. Rosa, thank you so much for all this beautiful shabby stuff. First of all, she made me some snippets. I've seen snippets online, I've seen them do them, but I've never seen any in person. I like to see things in person before I try to make them. So now I will try to make a snippet myself. Thank you, Rosa. And she sent 3 of them. They're so pretty. I love these. And she made some lace rosettes with some pretty flowers on them. I guess I should take them out of the packaging. So, nope, not happening. It's not at the bottom, so we're going to look through the paper. I don't want to mess it up yet. It's so pretty. There's one of the rosettes, and there's the other one. And everything was packaged so pretty. And all the color schemes, it's all the shabby colors. Put those there. She sent a package of lace. This was the Happy Crafter Facebook group where you made 9 embellishments and sent 3 different types of lace, 6 buttons, and something else of your choice. And she definitely hit the mark on everything. Here's some beautiful flowers that she's made. And all the packaging matches with the same paper, and all of them have a flower at the top. She gifted some little foam roses, and I think these are so neat because they have tulle on them already behind them. I hadn't seen any of the foam roses with the tulle already behind it. I thought these were really cute. I'm going to use those. I'm going to use everything, but I just want to look at it in the pretty packaging for a while. She also made these beautiful pinwheel paper clips with the gold paper clips. There's a pink one and a green one and another white with pink. Aren't those so pretty? And then, of course, her buttons. She sent these gorgeous buttons in this cute little package. And they are really pretty buttons. I'm going to make some pretty flowers with these. She's also included some bling pieces in there. There's a pink one. And a light blue one. And another little pink one. And another big blue one. And then these buttons are gorgeous. There's some pretty gold and purple. Excuse me, y'all. I have been a little bit under the weather. That's why I haven't been on doing videos and stuff. So don't forget about me. I'm still around. Aren't those pretty? Look at these clear ones with the gold rose. Those are so pretty. I'm going to make some pretty flowers with these. And I just wanted to share with y'all what she sent. This is beautiful. And I love everything. Thank you for swapping with me, Rosa. And if you like all Rosa's beautiful stuff, hit the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. And once I get to 100 subscribers, I am going to have a giveaway. And I might give away one of the dressers. So, the little dressers that I made. So get everybody to subscribe so we can have a giveaway. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a crafty day.